Welcome back to another market markup. It's a new week, and today is August 26th, Monday. All right. So today in the news, we don't have anything. This week on Tuesday, we have CB consumer confidence. Wednesday, nothing. Thursday, we have prelim GDP and unemployment claims. And on Friday, we have core PCE price index. So today we're working with nothing in the news. Let's start with the dollar. On the weekly chart, last week we did not get a close below this external range right here. Because of that, I'm going to be bullish on the week until I see a change in the state of delivery or something significant telling me otherwise. So we bullish for a little while on the weekly, at least to start the week. On the daily, we are beyond external. Let's remove this. We're beyond external. Change in the state of delivery would be right here. It's nothing, well, there's a fair value gap right here. So yeah, I would say this confirms a bullish bias for today. I don't know how far up it'll go. We definitely have an inefficiency right here that can be targeted. All right, so yeah. Bullish dollar. All right, off to CL. Weekly chart. Let me remove some of these executions. All right, so on the weekly, we hit external last week, strong rejection. I would say we're bullish, heading for internal. It looks like there is this much of this inefficiency to fill in, so that's a great target. You have this swing high paired with the inefficiency. So looks like bullish on the weekly. The daily, let's see, reached external, heading back up to find some internal. Looks like we blew past this fair value gap, so there's bullish. Right now we're above the consequent encroachment of this gap here, so looking really strong. That level we saw on the weekly, let me get it over to the daily. See where that target is. Yeah. I am bullish CL for sure. Looks really good on CL. Yeah. If we open above this consequent encroachment, we're bullish for sure. Okay. All right, so I like CL. Let's go to ES weekly. All right, so we've come from external and internal, a bullish fair value gap. We broke through this fair value gap extremely strong. we are bullish on the weekly, headed towards this external, and that is all-time highs, which we've been after for quite some time now. At this point, the inefficiency would be right around here. Might see a little dip down before we head up, but for sure we are bullish ES as well on the weekly, the daily. Let's see what you look like. Tapped into this bullish inefficiency here. We are now inside this inefficiency. You have to show some type of willingness to break through that. Otherwise, I'd be, bearish for the day at least. Yeah, let's see where we open at. See where price is once we open. At this level, based on the rules, I'm bearish. Because of the weekly trend, it's not going to be a long-term bearish trend. But I'd like to see where we open. So long-term bullish, short-term bearish. What does good old Nas have for us? On the weekly, yep, kind of the same situation. Blew by that fair value gap right here. Created another one right here. I'm gonna be bullish. We have a target here. And then eventually up here. This is our low-hanging fruit. I could also see a dip down into this inefficiency to catapult up there. I have this labeled wrong. This is internal. Yeah, so long-term bullish. The daily, doesn't look too clean in here. Reacted off of this inefficiency, blew past this inefficiency, tested down here. I would say we're on the way back up. This would be the new daily swing. Yeah, I would look to see it break through this level right here and eventually reach that external range. Yep. Bullish. It's interesting because if the dollar's showing strength, we should see weakness in the indices. But if they're both showing strength, I would assume something is going to be consolidating today. And with no news, might just be the indices and the dollar. All right, I'm gonna stick with that. So bullish dollar, bullish CL, bullish indices. That is a cracking correlation, but let's see how the setups form. That's all I have for today. See you tomorrow. Good luck.